This is a video about becoming the bee. Notice the bee mounts a flower and moves on to the next flower. And what I realized is that the flowers that are practicing what works get mounted a lot because there's lots of bees that see that flower and they're like, yo, I'm ready for some of your, what you got to share, you know? And so I'm noticing these bees, some of them are slow, some of them are fast, some of them are, they're all different. And this is like fresh organic lavender on the side of the street, Venables and Woodland. And this is all the time, these bees are dancing with the flowers. You ever see one of these bees pick a flower? So the bee's smart. Bee uses his senses. I'm just going with the he because I'm a he. Sees the flowers, smells the flowers, feels the flowers, tastes the flowers. Become the flower, and then bounce. So simple. Thank you, bee. I am becoming just like thee. Mere reflection. Strong and beautiful. Golden, actually. Lots of what I see before me is golden. Golden bees. Golden bees sharing their sacred scents. Yeah.